Hi, this is Mr. Robinson, and today we're going to be looking at how to create assignments within Edu 2.0. So right now I'm on my home screen. I'm going to go ahead and click on 7J ICT. We're going to use that as an example once again. Again, if it's a fictitious class. I'm going to go up here to Assessment and then Assignments. There's a little description here you can read on your own and then click on Add Assignment. There's a whole lot of different assignments that you can give within Edu 2.0. The quiz is simply a quiz that you create that once the students have completed it, the Edu 2.0 will grade it for you. Freeform is where you want to give an assignment where students need to submit a file to you when they're done. Offline is simply an offline assignment. Surveys, pretty straightforward. Discussion is a threaded discussion. This is different than a discussion in the collaboration section because you're actually grading it. A debate is pretty straightforward. Teams, you can put kids into teams and then grade their efforts. Attendance, you can award points for attendance. And then existing also, once you create an assignment in any class, you can copy it into, using this, you can copy it into any other class. So for instance, these are all assignments I've created in various other classes, and I could quickly copy them over, but I'm not going to do that right now. All right, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to do a couple different types of assignments, and then I'm going to show you what it looks like from the student's point of view as well. And then I think you can figure out the rest of them on your own because the process is, very similar. So let's start out by doing a quiz. So I'm going to create a online quiz here. Okay, I'm just going to call this sample quiz. The date where it begins and ends, maybe I'll make it end about the 29th or so. Give some time to complete it. And the instructions, obviously you can put in instructions. I'm just going to put in sample quiz. Click on save. Okay, so it's on here now. What I can do is modify this further. When you're actually ready to give it, you click on Give Assignment. Until you do that, it's not really going to show up anywhere for the students. So that's really important. You've got to press Give Assignment when it's ready to go. You can tell Edu 2.0 what's the maximum number of attempts that kids can have for this quiz. And then once you've done all this, you can configure it a lot of different ways. You're going to need to add questions, obviously. So click on Add Questions. I'm going to put a true or false one here. Okay, and let's just make up some sample question. Okay, I'll just call it sample question. Okay, and we're going to say that the answer to our sample question here is true. So I'm going to click on true and how many points it's worth. Okay, so this is a true or false question. Click Save and return to assignment. Okay, so, and again, obviously I would put real questions in there and many different questions, but I'm going to go ahead and give this assignment now. Okay, so the assignment was announced. So now if I go back to my news section, okay, my sample quiz shows up there. It will also show up for students. Also, if I go to my calendar and scroll down, you'll see that my sample quiz assignment is due on the 29th, and that will also show up on students' calendar as well. Okay, for right now, I'm running out of time for this part, so I'm going to extend this into part 2 in the next video.